Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this 5-star binder. They're a little bit pricey compared to the other binders on Amazon. You will get them for around $11 to $15 each, but there are a lot of good reviews about this binder because they're pretty sturdy and they last a whole year, more than a year. They said it's good for like college notes, and the best part is that this is detachable, so you can easily remove the papers from the binder. So let's pull it up. I got 3 colors. I got like a sage green, a red, and a blue. So let's see here. So let me remove them from the packaging. So this is the first one. Let's check out the inside. So it comes with these tabs on the side. So you can use it for like different subjects. There's some pockets here, few more pockets here with a closure here, so you can put envelopes or papers and it won't fall off. And then there is something like this here to hold your paper so it doesn't fall off. And another page. I think this one you can put something inside it. There's a tab here and you can put a paper, as you can see. And there's like 3 of those plastic things. And in the back there are some papers here in the back. So this is the first one, so let's try to open it up. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you how the back looks like. So as you can see, that's the back. This piece over here is made of like a fabric, like a waterproof fabric, and then these plastic things are very flexible. You can pull it up with one hand, and then you can also put it back just with one hand. So that's very nice. You can use it for, you can add, remove, rearrange papers easily. Includes 5 tab dividers, 60 sheets of paper, and you can also download the 5-star study app. It's refillable. So this is the size, 11.5 by 10 3/4. So that's how that looks like. Let's check out the red. Should be the same. So yes, it's the same. It has this like tabs and then plastic things, and then on the back has the papers. So I'm using it for music lessons. As you can see, let me try to put some inside so you can see how it looks like once. So you can remove this piece, and then you can just put your paper in like so. Really easy. And put it back like so. As you can see, I'm only using one hand because I don't have a stand for my camera, and it's still doable. So that's it. Really easy to use and pretty compact too. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.